Good afternoon, students. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Wait 2 to 3 minutes, then we will start the session. I think you are getting the whiteboard. You are watching. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, last class we have discussed about the half adder. So today we will discuss the full adder and half structure and full substructure. Okay. So first we will discuss the full adder. So you have seen the half adder. So in the case of half adder, there is 2 input and 2 output. You already seen, but here and in the half adder there is no provision to add a carry coming from the lower order bits when the multiple bit addition is performed. Okay, so for this reason, actually for this reason, a full adder is designed, and a full adder is a combinational circuit, and that performs the arithmetic sum of 3 inputs. So for the case of full adder, there is 3 input and it produces a sum output and a carry. So for the case of full adder, there is 3 input and 2 output. One is sum and another is carry. Okay, so here the logic symbol. This is full adder. So suppose this is A and this is B and this is C in. Okay, and this is the input and this is the S is for sum and C is for carry, So this is outputs. Okay. Now that the input here is 3 and the output is 2. Okay. So the two variable in the case of two variable in the last we seen that we denoted in that particular half adder, that is A and B, and here you can see this is C in. Okay, so actually first the two input variables that is denoted here by A and B represent the two significant bits to be added. Next, the third input means C in. This is the third input. This represents the carry from the previous lower significant position. Okay, previous lower significant position means first here A plus B. So whatever the output, that output is added within C in, with C in. Okay, so at the end we are getting the output that is the sum is for S. Here it is denoted by S, and carry it is denoted by C. Okay, this is, you can say this is the C out. Okay, so the the truth table of this full adder circuit. So here
सीन को एक बार और एक्सप्लेन करिए ना।
इन वाला,
हाँ सीन को, हाँ
एक मिनट, हम हाफ अडर में क्या देखे हैं, दोनों इनपुट और दोनों आउटपुट। हेलो,
यस सर।
लेकिन फुल अडर में हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर 3 input A, B and C in, and the output is 2, that is S for sum and C out for carry. But in the case of half adder, actually there is no provision to add a carry coming from the lower order bit. Lower order bits means A and B here. Okay, so when the multiple addition is performed, in that case the half adder is not suitable. So for that multiple addition we need the full adder, and that's why you are watching here that in full adder there is another input, that is the C in. Okay, so with the help of these 3 input we can perform the multi-bit addition. Okay,
सर ये सीन स्टोर क्या करेगा, मतलब मेरे क्वेश्चन का मतलब ये है, ये क्या स्टोर करेगा, मतलब क्या इनपुट लेगा ये सीन?
क्या इनपुट लेगा मतलब यहाँ पर
ए बी में हम ऐसे इनपुट दे रहे हैं,
हम तीनों में ही इनपुट दे रहे हैं, हम तीनों में ही इनपुट दे रहा है, सिर्फ एक बी पर नहीं है। ठीक है, यहाँ पर जो 2 input variables here, that is A and B. Okay, so particular these 2 input represent the 2 significant bits, and the third input, that is C in, it's represent the carry from the previous lower significant bits. Previous lower significant bits A and B. So if A plus B होगा तो इसका तो एक कैरी होगा। ठीक है, तो ये कैरी सी इन के साथ प्लस हो सकता है क्योंकि यहाँ पर 3 इनपुट है, लेकिन हाफ एडर में सिर्फ 2 इनपुट था, ये पॉसिबल नहीं है। ठीक है,
ओके सर।
so next the truth table of full adder. So the input, this is the input and this is the output. So here it is A, B, C in, and this is S for sum and C out for carry. Okay, so for 3 input, what are the combination we will get? How many combination we will get from this 3 input?
8.
So first this is 0 0 0. Second one is 0 0 1. Third one is 0 1 0. Fourth one is 0 1 1. fifth one is 1 0 0, sixth one is 1 0 1, seventh one is 1 1 0, and eighth one is 1 1 1. Suppose now here sum and carry both are 0 0. For this case, sum is 1, carry is 0. Third one, sum is 1, carry is 0. The case of this, only the sum is 0 and the carry is 1. For the case of this, the sum is 1, carry is 0. Here it is also 0, carry is 1. This is also 0, 1, and this is 1 and 0. Okay, so this is the truth table. Truth table for full adder. Okay,
सर
so
लास्ट वाला जो रूल लिखा हुआ है उसको एक बार और देखिएगा सर, क्या उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या लास्ट वाला रूल में?
1 1 1 पर यह वाला यहाँ पर ना,
यस सर
ठीक है, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, तो from this truth table here you can see there is 8 possible input combination for this 3 input, and for each of case the sum and the carry out, this is the sum column and this is the carry out, sum and carry out values are here listed, and from the truth table the logic expression for s or sum can be written by the summing up the input combination for which the sum is 1. So we will consider that particular combination whenever the output of sum is 1. Okay, so output of the sum is 1. So this is the one combination, this is another, this is the one, and the last one. So these are the 4 combination input combination. So for this 4 input combination we are getting sum equals to sum output equals to 1. So from this we can write s equals to, first one is this one, this is a bar b bar c in. Second one is a bar b c in bar. Third one means this, so this is a b bar c in bar, and the fourth one, this is the a b c in, this is last one. So this is the expression for sum. So if we simplify this expression, so we can get, that is a bar, here we are taking common a bar, so in this is b bar c in plus b c bar in the bracket, here this is a, so in the bracket it is b bar c bar in plus b c in. Okay, we are just simplified the expression of sum. So here actually we are getting, that is here this is a bar, this is the in the form of XOR gate, yes or no? A bar b plus
यस सर।
yes, so
Sir.
yeah, so this is b XOR c in plus a into b XOR c in whole bar. Okay, Up to this, you have any doubts? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay, so let suppose here b XOR cin equals to x. So just 1 minute. I am erasing this right portion. Okay, so let b XOR cin equals to x. So s equals to, here from this equation we can write a bar x plus a x bar equals to, we can write a XOR x. Okay, now replacing x by b XOR cin in that above expression. We can write that s equals to a XOR b XOR cin. This is the final expression for sum for the case of full adder. Now there is another output, that is the cout. Cout is for carry. Okay, so for the case of cout, actually again I think you already noted the truth table of full adder. So again we are considering the those input combination for which the cout equals output is 1. So here the cout equals to, from the truth table we can write that this is a b cin plus a b bar cin plus a b c bar in plus a b c in. Okay, so here we are just simplified this equation. So this is b c in, so in the bracket a plus a bar plus a b bar c in plus a b c bar in. So from this we can write b c in plus a b bar c in plus a b c bar in. Okay, now for this simplification, this expression, okay, so the, okay, again just 1 minute. Yeah, Okay, so we have the expression till now. There are for the case of C out, this is B C in plus A B bar C in plus A B C bar in. Okay, now now the A B C in term is added twice for simplification. We are just trying to simplify this expression. Okay, so for this case, the C out equals to BC in plus A B bar C in plus A B C bar in plus A B C in plus A B C in. So here we are getting B plus B bar plus AB equals to C in plus C bar in. So this is BC in plus AC in plus AB. Okay, so this is the final expression of C out. Okay, now from this simplified expression, so you
सर
already
फुल एडर से सर क्वेश्चन कितना मार्क्स का आता है
full adder
एग्जाम को?
सकता है 6 मार्क्स आ सकता है, 6 मार्क्स या 7 मार्क्स वो बोल सकते हैं full
सर
adder।
ये तो बहुत ज्यादा लेंदी लेकिन मेथड है सर ये फुल एडर का।
ये तुमको करना होगा, एग्जाम पर इस तरह से ही आएगा।
सर
Yes.
मेरा क्वेश्चन है सर यहाँ पे
बोलो।
कि यहाँ पे जो लिखे नीचे लिखा हुआ है सी आउट इज इक्वल टू बी सी इन प्लस ए बी बार सी इन प्लस ए बी सी बार इन,
हाँ।
इसमें सर जो आप ऐड किए हैं उससे पहले हम इसमें एक कॉमन लेकर के भी तो क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते थे ना।
कर सकते हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
तो क्या वो आंसर गलत हो जाएगा या मेथड गलत हो जाएगा क्या ऐसे
गलत
करेंगे
नहीं
तो?
होगा, क्योंकि हमको पहले से मालूम है कौन सा गेट चाहिए एक्चुअली परफॉर्म करने के लिए फुल एडर, इसी के मुताबिक हम ये एक्सप्रेशन ले आना चाहते हैं। ठीक है, तो तुम जो यहाँ पर जो एक्सप्रेशन है, दिस इज एक्सप्रेशन फॉर सम एंड दिस इज एक्सप्रेशन फॉर कैरी आउट। ओके, so for this sum expression you can easily understand to perform the sum what are the gates actually we are needed. To get this experiment, what gate actually needed on
and or jor?
no, for sum I am just asking only for sum।
jor gate,
jor gate, so यहाँ पर ये 2 input या 3 input?
3 इनपुट है।
3 इनपुट है, तो हमको फर्स्ट सम के लिए हमको 3 इनपुट जॉर गेट चाहिए। ठीक,
यस सर।
यहाँ पर देखो जो सी आउट है, सी आउट का फ्रॉम द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ सी आउट व्हाट आर द गेट्स एक्चुअली वी नीडेड?
एंड और गेट,
एंड
और गेट,
yes, so from this expression actually we needed the and or gate। okay, तुम किसी भी तरह से ये एक्सप्रेशन ले आ सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम। एक मिनट, चला गया, सेव नहीं किया है शायद। हाँ ठीक है, तुम किसी भी तरह से ले आ सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ठीक है, हम यहाँ पर ए बी सी इनको टर्म्स को ऐड किए हैं 2 टाइम्स, इस तरह से हम ये ले आए एज पर बाय आवर रिक्वायरमेंट।
सर एक्सप्रेशन दूसरा नहीं आ सकता है? मेरे कहने का मतलब ये है अगर हम कुछ दूसरा मेथड से सॉल्व करें तो एक्सप्रेशन दूसरा आ जाए तो?
दूसरा आ जाएगा तो आ सकता है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। तो तुमको देखना होगा उसका बाद जो गेट क्या आ रहा है।
ओके सर।
सपोज तुम नैंड गेट से कर रहे हो, नैंड गेट से तो हो सकता है, नैंड गेट तो यूनिवर्सल गेट है ना,
यस सर।
तो वो तो थोड़ा अलग होगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। ठीक है, फुल एडर में और कोई क्वेश्चन है?
नो सर।
सर इसका यूजेस कहाँ पे होता है फुल एडर का?
कहाँ पर होता है मतलब? कॉम्बिनेशनल सर्किट,
अच्छा
बेसिक
सर।
गेट, लॉजिक गेट, जो कॉम्बिनेशनल सर्किट तुम पढ़ रहे हो, तो ये तो एकदम क्या बोले, सिंपलीस्ट वर्जन है जो हाफ एडर फुल एडर।
ओके सर।
नेक्स्ट इज द हाफ सबट्रैक्टर। Before going to start the discussion, I am requesting you all the participants write your name in the chat box. Very quick. At this moment, 25 students in the class. I am not getting the 25 responses. I am getting only the 17 responses. I am again requesting you that there is still 4 students left who have not submit their attendance. Okay, so this is a logic symbol of half adder circuit. So this is also a combinational circuit which actually used to perform the subtraction of 2 bit. Here you can see this is a 2 input, this is the input, and this is the output section. And one thing here, it has 2 input, that is x and y, and x is minuend and y is subtrahend, and 2 output d is for the difference, and here b is here b out is the borrow out. B out is for borrow out, and this is for the difference. Okay, now the truth table of half subtractor is inputs and outputs. So X and Y, and this is the D and B out. So this is two inputs. So from this two input, we are getting four input combination, that is 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So here actually the difference is from 0 0 for the case of first combination, this is 0 0. For the second one, this is 1 and 1. For 1 0, this is difference is 1 and B out is 0, and for the case of 1 1, this is 0 0. This is the truth table for half subtractor. Okay. Now from the truth table, that you can easily understand the difference output is 0 if the X equals to Y, and 1 when X not equals to Y. Because here in the first combination and the fourth combination, here you can see the difference output is 0, and in that sense X equals to Y. In both cases the X equals to 0, X and Y equals to 0, and here that case X and Y equals to 1. So the value is same for X and Y, but we are getting difference output equals to 1. In that sense X not equals to Y. So in that input combination, you can see the value of X and Y is not same, and the borrow output is 1 whenever the X not equals to, also here borrow, just 1 minute. Yeah, so here only one case, this is the X less than Y. Particular in that combination, the borrow output is 1. So if the X less than Y, so the subtraction is done by the borrowing 1 from the next higher order bit. Okay, so you already know the binary addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So from that concept, you can easily draw the truth table of half order circuit. Now, so from this Boolean expression of difference and borrow output, we can write here D equals to only particular this and this combination. So it is X bar Y plus Y plus sorry X Y bar. So from this we can write this is X XOR Y, and for the case of B out, this is the combination, this is X bar Y. So the expression of difference and B out, we can easily understand that the half subtractor can be implemented using an XOR gate is required for the difference, and a NOT gate and AND gate is required for the case of B out. It is clear for all of you? Half subtractor?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next is the full subtractor. Okay. The full subtractor, just 1 minute. same way. So this is suppose x, y, and this is the b in, and this is d and b out. Okay, this is the logic symbol of a full adder circuit. So here you can see this is a 3 input, that is x, y, and b in, and there is 3 input. This is x, y, and b in, and the 2 output, that is the d for difference and b out is for the borrow out. Okay, so this is the 3 input. So from this 3 input we will get the 8 combination. Okay, so here the truth table, x, y, b in, here d and sorry b out. So this is 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 sorry 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. 8 combination. So correspondingly, so first one for this is 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 8. So this is the truth table of full substructure. Okay, so first we will calculate for the case of difference. So for the case of difference, we can write this is the one combination, this is the one combination, this is another, and the last combination. So from this we can write this is x bar y bar b in plus x bar y b in bar plus x y bar b in bar plus x y b in. So actually I am here, the time is very less, that's why I am writing here the final expression, that is x XOR y XOR b in. You will get this expression after simplification. Okay, this is the expression, final expression for difference, and the final expression for b out you will get, that is x bar y plus x bar b in